things right here. I'm going to do this. I have so function. And this is something that I got from my mom because I love angels. So I have angels everywhere. I have another one from the same company. And here are other stones. And another angel that I got from my mom. I know I'm a hoarder. I have a box, I think at Shein or AliExpress or Temu, two of them. But I kept my stones, and I also mentioned all the names. Beautiful collection of the past. What should it be? 25 years. 20. A lot. Another box with stones. I got this one for my sister. I think my mom got it for us. I have a few of them as well, and it was really nice of my sister. She wanted to give me. I got amethyst. I love amethyst. I should keep it still with me. And I also have this one. I think it's lapis lazuli, but I'm not sure. I have here another pile of stones. A lot. Like conversations with her, and she gave me this card. It says in Dutch: alles wat je aandacht geeft groeit, van Cora Smith. Everything that you put focus on grows. So it's a good reminder. When you want to grow positive things, when you want to grow, like she had an example, like when you want to have a garden with beautiful roses, when you put focus on it, you will have beautiful roses. But when you put focus on this flowers that are not pretty, and you focus on that, they will grow too. So you can choose if you want to have more roses or the other one. Really inspiring thing. I love having that. I don't want to put it in box yet because this is really good. This is not stone, but this is what I got in Barcelona, and I love it.